Hi, Ignacio Esparza here. Today I want to show you my enhancement number 3. First, I want to show you I have created the index.php. This is my Acme controller. I am using nav list variable to create the navigation bar. This retrieve the data from the categories table from the Acme database. This is my switch section, and the accounts controller, I am using the same nav list variable to create the navigation bar, and this is the switch section, and the default is disabled. The default statement is disabled. Okay, I have created the login.php view and registration.php view. Okay. This is the Acme homepage. This is the Acme homepage, and here is my account link. Okay, this is my Acme login view. Here is a link for the registration form, and this is the link for the homepage. I am using link without a direct link to the login page or registration page. I am using instead the accounts controller and the Acme controller. As you can see, this is the data from the categories table. In the case of the error page, I'm using the conventional navigation bar, and the links are working well. Now I want to validate the CSS code for all pages. No errors. Now the HTML from the home page. No errors. In the Acme login view, here is the HTML validation. No errors. And the registration view, this is the test for validate the HTML code. No errors. As you can see, all is working well. That's all. Thank you.